Yan, paki-screenshot. Kung gamit ang laptop, screenshot at isend sa ating GC. Okay, ngayon ay solving quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, bibilis lang natin para at least pakapilo naman. Ang importante, alam niyo kung paano isolve ang completing the square. Okay, bilisan lang natin. Kailangan lahat ng mga quadratic form ay perfect square trinomial. From A, B, C, D, lahat yan ay perfect square trinomial. I-apply lang natin ang completing the square, solving quadratic equation by completing the square, pag yung given ay perfect square trinomial. Kung halimbawa sa letter A, paano natin makukuha ang square of binomial? Makinig kayo ha, dapat marunong i-change ang perfect square trinomial sa square of binomial kasi kailangan natin yan mamaya. Okay, ang square of binomial ng x squared plus 6x plus 9 ay x plus 3 to the second power. O, tingnan nyo. O, sir, ANABO, bakit x plus 3? Okay. Tumingin ha sa screen. Dito ka titingin sa linear term ng quadratic form. Ano ang ating linear term? Paki-recycle sa akin o asan dyan ang ating linear term?
6x.
Okay. Positive 6x. Doon ka lang titingin sa coefficient ng x. Anong coefficient ng x natin? Positive 6. Kukunin mo lang yung kalahati ng 6. Anong kalahati ng 6? 3. Oh. Yung first term natin ay x squared. Yung quadratic term ay x squared. Kunin mo lang ang x. Kopyahin mo lang yung x. Oh. X plus 3 to the second power. Yan yung square of binomial. Sa letter B, sino yung pwede magbigay sa akin ng square of binomial niya? Go! Anybody? Wala?
Negative 7.
Yung binomial niya, square of binomial na, final answer. The answer is x minus 7 squared. Nagets nyo?
Apo.
Okay,
Apo.
x squared minus 7 to the second power. Kailangan marunong kayong mag-change ng perfect square trinomial to square of binomial. Okay, how about letter C?
X.
X.
Positive 1.
Positive 1.
X plus positive 1.
Positive 1.
Okay, the answer is x plus 1 to the second power or x plus 1 squared. O, alam niyo na kung paano kinukuha.
Apo.
Okay, how
Apo,
about
sir.
D? What will be the answer?
X equal to negative 2 ba, sir?
X minus 9 squared.
Very good. X minus 9 squared.
Oh,
So, ganun lang kasimple. Pag once nag-change tayo ng from perfect square trinomial to square of binomial. Kasi kakailangan natin yan mamaya. Not all quadratic equations can be easily solved by factoring or by extracting the square roots. So, ibig sabihin nun, hindi lahat ng equations ay pwedeng ma-solve using factoring at saka extracting the square root. When these methods are not possible, how do you solve the equation? Of course, by applying the completing the square. Okay, paano? Let's try this example. Mabilis na tayo kasi mag-time na. X squared minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. Meron kasing equation na hindi siya factorable. meron siyang polynomials na hindi siya factorable. Form na hindi siya factorable. So, anong gagawin natin? Apply the completing the square. Okay. So, anong gagawin dyan, Sir Anabo? Transpose, ito yung mga step by step ha. Transpose the constant 2 to the right side of the equation. Ibig sabihin nun, pag-apply completing the square, lagi mo siyang ililipat ang constant term sa right side. So, magiging x squared minus 4x is equal to 2. Okay. Ayan na ha. Lagi tatandaan, pag completing the square, applying the completing the square, always ita-transpose mo ang constant term to the right side. Lagi yun. Ayan na, x squared minus 4x is equal to 2. Then, complete the square by adding the square of half coefficient of x to both sides of the equation. O paano, Sir Anabo? Ganito ang gawin nyo. Sundan nyo ako ha. Ganito ang gawin nyo. X squared minus 4x, mag-plus ka, tapos lagyan ng blank. Doon din sa kabila, 2 plus blank. Ano ang ilalagay mo dyan? Kukunin mo ang kalahati ng linear term. Anong kalahati ng linear term?
2 po.
Positive 2 o negative 2?
Negative 2.
Okay, negative. Kasi negative 4, divide by 2. Kasi pag sinasabi natin kunin ng kalahati, i-divide natin siya ng 2 para makuha natin kalahati. Kaya negative 4 is equal to, divide by 2 is equal to negative 2. Tapos, i-multiply mo siya by itself. Yung negative 2 times negative 2, ang sagot ay positive 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to positive 4. Yun ang ilalagay mo dun sa mga blanco. Gets nyo? Nag-gets nyo yung part na to? Kukunin mo yung, i-divide, kukunin mo yung kalahati ng ating linear term, tapos yung sagot, i-multiply mo ng by itself ng 2 beses. Kaya negative 2 times negative 2, ang sagot ay 4. Kaya inilagay natin siya sa 4, sa blanco. Yan. Okay. So ngayon, ito ba yung nangyari? X squared minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 2 plus 4. Ang gawin natin dito, combine like terms. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 6. Kasi 2 plus 4 is 6. Ngayon, anong gagawin, Sir Anabo? I-apply na natin yung square o binomial. Since ang x squared minus 4x plus 4 is a perfect square trinomial, gagawin na natin siyang square o binomial. Yan. Write the left side as the square of a binomial. Yung x squared minus 4x plus 4, gagawin na siyang x minus 2 squared is equal to 6. O sir, paano nakuha ang x minus 2 squared? O, katulad yung ginawa ko kanina. Kung paano, kasi yung x squared minus 4x plus 4 is a perfect square trinomial, kaya na natin siyang gawing square of binomial. Ayan na siya. So we have x minus 2 kasi kalahati ng negative 4 is negative 2. Kaya x minus 2, 2 squared. So meron akong paliwanag doon sa module. So, i-ano nyo na lang. Next, ano sunod? Extract the square root both sides. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin, pag meron na siyang square of binomial, extract the square root both sides of the equation. Ang purpose niyan, para matanggal ang exponent na 2 at ang sagot magiging x minus 2 is equal to positive or negative square root of 6. O yan, Sir Anabo, bakit hindi pa rin natanggal ang square root o radical sign ng 6? Okay, matatanggal lang natin ang radical sign pag na-simplify natin. Since ang 6 is not a perfect square, so i-retain lang natin siya as radical sign. Uulitin ko, hindi siya perfect square, kaya i-retain natin siya as radical sign. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, since we are going to identify the value of x, paghihiwalayin natin ang positive at negative. Solve for x. So, we have x. I-transpose muna ang negative 2 sa right side, magiging positive 2 plus the square, plus or minus the square root of 6. So, we have x is equals to 2 plus the square root of 6. At saka yung pangalawa ay x is equals to 2 minus the square root of 6. Ganun lang siya. Para yun na yung magiging value ng x natin. Okay? Next. Unang gagawin natin, number 1 natin example ulit. X squared minus 2x is equals to 3. Okay. So, ang constant, nasa right side na. Hindi na natin siya ililipat. Okay na yan. Tama na siya. By completing square, always ang constant term ay nasa right side. Sunod mong gawin, maglagay ka ng blanco. Ayan. Katulad ng ginawa ko. Then, hanapin mo ang kalahati ng linear term. Anong kalahati ng linear term natin? Negative 2? Anong kalahati ng negative 2?
Negative 1 po, sir.
Negative 1. Okay, very good. Negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1. Anong sagot?
Positive 1.
Okay, yun ang ilalagay mo doon sa blanco. Then, x squared minus 2x plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So ngayon, ang x squared minus 2x plus 1 is a perfect square trinomial. Kaya, pwede natin siyang gawing square of binomial. So we have x minus 1 squared is equal to 4. Ganun lang kasimple. Now, x minus 1 squared is equals to 4. So, ang gagawin natin, wait lang ha, i-search ko lang ang
Lobat.
Lobat ang aking Yan. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, pag once meron tayong square binomial, is extract the roots. Yan. Both sides of the equation. Exponent. Since ang square ng 4 ay kaya siyang simplify, so magiging sagot niyan, x minus 1 is equal to positive or negative 2. Kasi ang 4 is a perfect square. So ano gagawin natin? Pag-iwalayin natin ang positive at saka negative. So, ayan po ang naging sagot. So, x minus 1 is equals to positive 2. X minus 1 is equals to negative 2. Transpose ang negative 1 to the right side, magiging positive 1. Kaya positive 2 plus 1 is 3. So, the value of x is 3. Sa kabila naman, x minus 1 is equal to negative 2. Transpose ang negative 1 to the right side, positive 1. So, we have x is equals to negative 1. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Okay? So, mabilisan lang.